Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can remove the Powered by Shopify text on the bottom of your website. It is there by default. In this video, I'll show you how you can remove that in 2 easy steps. So make sure you follow me till the end to get a good idea on how you can do this. So as you can see, I am here in my Shopify dashboard. Just click on themes and select the theme that you want to remove the footer from. I'll show you that this is my current website. And as you can see, there is this footer note which says My Store Powered by Shopify. Well, in this video, I'll show you how you can remove this. So quickly come back to your Shopify dashboard, click on the 3 dots beside your theme, click on Edit Default Theme Content. Once you're in here, you can search for the Powered by filter item. And over here, just click on this and type in space and click on save. Make sure you click save, otherwise it will not affect the changes. Once that's done, quickly refresh your website to see whether or not the changes have been made. As you can see, the Powered by text has now been removed. But if it doesn't work for you, well, I have another solution for you. Just quickly come back to themes, click on the 3 dots again, click on edit code, and under here search for footer. And in or under footer.liquid, you can click on Control F if you're using Windows, or if you're using Mac, click on Command F. Click on that and search for powered again, and it will highlight the powered word over here. Just scroll down and search for where it says powered by link. Just select this whole line, click on backspace, click on save, and it should easily work this time. I'm sure the footer note which says Powered by Shopify is now removed from your website. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.